Just imagine you create this beautiful piece, this beautiful digital artwork, and you are ready to sell at a convention. You upload it to Vistaprint, Cafe Press, whichever printer you want to choose, and then you eagerly await in the mail for your prints to get there, right? Finally, the big day comes. Your prints are here. You're foaming at the mouth trying to contain your excitement. The piece that you spend hours and hours and days upon is finally here. You open the package and what the hell is this shit? Your picture looks all blurry and shit. You could have sworn you put the correct image size. After all, it said 8.5 by 11. Wrong. Fucking wrong. You know what happened? You know what happened? It's because you didn't check your D.P.I.
What are those?
Glad you asked. D.P.I. stands for dots per inches. This means every inch on your computer monitor, there is a dot there. This might explain it more simply. Take an inch on a ruler and count the number of centimeter lines. Each centimeter line represents 1 DPI. So what are the most common numbers and best ones to use, you might ask? Well, that depends what you're going for. Even though you can have any number there, and I do mean any number, you can put 1, you can put 1,000. There are two main common ones that you need to know. 72 DPI and 300 DPI. 72 DPI is great, it's small. It's going to be probably the images that you do for the internet. It'll save you space and it'll look decent if you're not printing. Now if you're going to print, you want to do the 300. You don't want to do that 72 because it's going to come out blurry. In fact, in the example in the beginning, that's probably what happened. You just left it at 72. 300 DPI is the standard basically for all printing. Anything that goes above 300 is kind of wasting space. The human eye can't really tell the difference. But then again, you could go 600 DPI and then put it into a 300 file, which would basically make your image 2 times the size. And that would be good for, like, maybe you want to do a cover or something, like a bed sheet or something like that. So yeah, this is just a little helpful tip for my new convention sellers. Make sure they get their work out there and it looks nice and you don't have to worry about having frustration. That's it. Bye-bye.